Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see what are the functional blocks of IoT, that is the Internet of Things. As we all know that an IoT system, it consists of a large number of functional blocks which provide the system capabilities for identification, sensing, actuation, communication and management. These are the functional blocks of the IoT, that is the application, management, services, communication, security and device. First, we'll know what is a device. So, device in IoT are the things that sense the environment, take actions, or control something. An IoT system, it comprises of the devices which will provide the sensing, actuation, monitoring, and control system and control fluctuations. For example, you have thermostat, which senses the room temperature and can turn the heater or AC on or off. And second is a wearable fitness tracker where it monitors the heart rate and the steps. For example, you can think this the devices like the hands and the eyes of the IoT system. That is, they will see and then act. Second is the communication. So here the communication blocks, it will ensure that the devices can talk to each other or to a central system using networks or protocols. So example here is a smart fridge which will send a message to your phone when the milk is low. So here the devices can use the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or Zigbee in order to send the information. You can think it as a communication is like here you can think it as a communication which is like a language. Here the devices will use to talk to each other. So this language or the communication, it is used by the devices to talk to each other. Then next comes the services. So services are the special functions the IoT system will provide for monitoring, controlling or sharing of the data. For example, or you can think an IoT system which uses the various types of the services such as the services for device monitoring, then it may be device control service, data publishing or the device discovery. And here example is like the where that is the device monitoring which will check if all the smart lights are working. Then a device control service which will turn on the lights from your phone app. When it comes to data publishing, it is like the weather station devices sending the temperature data to a website. And last is the device discovery. That is when a new smart device connects to your home network, it is automatically recognized. So you can think it as these services are like the tools which will make the devices useful to the users. Next is the management. This block, it organizes and manages the whole IoT system and it ensures everything works smoothly. For example, updating all the smart bulbs firmware at once, or then you have scheduling when the irrigation system turns on or off in a smart farm. Here, this can be thought as a manager or the supervisor of all the IoT devices. Next is the security. The security, it protects the system from unauthorized access or the tampering, and that is this block, it secures the IoT system and it will provide the functions such as authentication, authorization, message and content integrity and data security. For example, only authorized users can unlock your smart door, or data from your wearable health device is encrypted so that the hackers cannot see it. And the security, it is like the lock and the key which will keep the system safe. Next is the application. This acts like an interface or a software which will allow the users to interact with the IoT system. And here IoT application provides an interface that the users can use to control and monitor various aspects of the IoT system. And this application, it will allow the users to view the system status and view and analyze the processed data. For example, you will be having a mobile app which will show your smart home status, and it will let you turn devices on or off. Or say one more example is a dashboard in a smart factory in order to monitor the machines and the production. And this can be, that is the application, it is like the remote control or the dashboard for the IoT system. This is the brief summary. These are the functional blocks, and these are the real time examples or the real life examples for the particular functional block.